KFC Copycat chicken. Today we're going to make a bunch of sliders. So I've taken 2 large chicken breasts and I've cut them into 9 equally sized pieces. Pulled all of them into a bowl and you're going to want to add some buttermilk. I was out, so I used whole milk with a little bit of lime juice, lots of salt, and now we have buttermilk. Day 2, mix up your spice mixture with your flour, drain most of that buttermilk mixture off, whisk up an egg, and have a little bit of plain alcohol on hand. There is a reaction between the alcohol, egg, and the coating to make it stick to the chicken. So after you've drained it, add the alcohol, take a sip for yourself, mix up that egg in there, and then you're going to want to dredge each piece into the flour spice mixture. Make sure you pat it on there good and then complete with all the rest of them. If you're a fan of original recipe, then keep it as is, but if you happen to have leftover spice mixture like I did, I re-dredged half of them, and so I had more of an extra crispy style. Now it is time to fry. So we have our extra crispy on the right, regular on the left, and we have a screen just in case it gets super splattery, and we have a place to put our chicken afterwards. Once your oil is at 350 degrees, drop those puppies in there. I didn't have a ton of oil, so I'm only going to put 2 or 3 in there. If you had bone-in chicken, you're going to want a lot more oil than what I have. To make sure that they're done, make sure the internal temperature of the chicken reaches at least 165 degrees. We know we're higher than that, we're all set. So here we are, 18 sliders just from 2 chicken breasts. Chicken and biscuit, anyone? Follow me for more fast favorites.